do it.
Yeah, third time is not a charm.
Okay.
Adventurers and treasure seekers, your journey is approaching its end. I know. You unlocked. It's not my fault. You unlocked so many adventures, but did you find your treasure?
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you? Did all of you?
What adventures have you been on?
What treasures have you found? Oh, you say knowledge.
It's
I like that. But guess what? Speaking of treasure, we have a treasure chest. And you know what they say. Good things come in small packages.
Now, a true treasure holds a world of possibilities, all locked up within a chest. Sage, and where there's a lock, there's a key. But who holds the key? Who can unlock this treasure? Me? Oh. Someone who is wiser than they know.
And braver than they think.
A seasoned adventurer.
A knowing sage.
But with the faith of a child.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, come on over here, friend.
Who is it?
What's your name? Guys, we have Nathan!
You're Nathan. And you hold the key. Ooh.
Now,
Where are you
Nathan.
from?
Miami. And Nathan, who are you traveling with? Bonnie. Hi, Bonnie. Now, what's been your favorite adventure this week? Ooh, very, very good. But Nathan, let's think of the adventures we've all discovered this week. Pause for effect.
Hold forward. Hold forward. Everybody say hold forward.
Hold for it. You'll never know when it's going to happen.
Everybody say hold forward.
Hold for it. Say hold for it. 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 Hold for it. Play the music!
I like that. That's a nice music right there. Hold it. Not too much
Everybody do
there.
the Macarena! And 1, 2, 3, 4. Those hips don't lie.
Coriander, enough. Enough.
Okay.
What's been your favorite story so far? Oh,
Did you choose wisely?
oh yeah.
Every time? Most of the time.
Are you sure? Do we also like the tale of Moana? Oh, what about the tale of Beauty and the Beast?
Or the tale of Coco.
Very good. Well, I think you should see what's next. You ready?
Yeah, let's go ahead.
What's the possibilities?
Well.
We travel to exotic ports. Princess Jasmine, Aladdin, so nice to see you.
Trained alongside the world's greatest heroes. Exciting.
And chosen wisely with globe-trotting archaeologists.
In the street in Dawn's chambers.
inside that chest.
Oh,
Now, Nathan, you still have the key.
I do.
Take off your neck for me. Now, can we open this chest together?
Let's give them some encouragement.
That's it! Huzzah! You found it, my friends! There they are. Better than gold, stronger than diamonds, more valuable than any prize in the universe. Your memories. Such things will always be greater than all the magic, all the treasures in all the world.